good morning and welcome back to yet another episode of Vibe Africa Sports Stories across the sporting world. The day Joseph buying the FIFA box, the sports incorporate an person Martinasi, made the very latest in the world of association football, and I made the moment and I'll pay our show as well. And yeah, as I'm getting up. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to know that the latest Nuguha was going to me. I can say, Kama Eddie Amain. And I'll pay the cock Robia Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper. The team Eddie again, Kwame Ban. Who was a Kwame Ban? And remember Asante Kotoko, he was the second choice goalkeeper. And after Obabe Teki the position of the first choice goalkeeper. And Felix Annan, Okoye no wedding, Okoye same people Ghana for Ekasaya. Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no Omukasaya so why? So number one goalkeeper. Will you say Oba Ghana ha? So what your best player and as a best goalkeeper oh my God na enye asem kuma kra Britain dey Felix Annan na e just Kwame Ban bay o keep people so kama ono na e bo modern na yibi se Kwame Ban say embra sansemi e koso no ono pono challenges ba ben partner no offer mu at that time.
I don't tell him too much. No, Felix is my senior and I do respect me a lot. What I say, I don't catch a cool savior. I didn't too much. So me born want to say that team baby. Yeah, of course, and I never got team to really see. And that's much against us of course, not coach. Yes, I'm soon I think like if you are not going to start challenging, I start to say, "But we should not some more support the stand and be free." It's all about your hard work and the determination and carry forward.
I didn't see a Britain team area Kwame Ban on audience and what to do on which you know, not Britain or saying is so their man says, "See, idea or compete with new training in Papa if you send Ghana Premier League can never bounce back. I mean, would be 31st. In a beer year, Mampe Bisa, and she share no restrictions no a dear free world now after Ghana Premier League go to me bounce back and I bring to each more. So far there, or such challenges are offering more pressure, a good each senior or any goalkeeper, the dear Felix Annan, or then the cheat enough for your AC air corner or say about Mountain partner offer the personal training serious. Now you say to so how far or the personal training saying the Wusi Fano.
Also, when I say football, I say football at the end. After team training, also I was more personal training, and I go to my brother keep uniform. What do you say? Senior Felix, and I say it's a very good goalkeeper. What I say, I challenge after team training, also behind the personal training. It's a that Bologna, you are good goalkeeper. What I say, telling the road that you on there also more the one there. Oversharing, I'm more the one. I said, I said no. I think they are fortunate of face of medicine. Yeah, Mr. Mahano good resource. Yeah, and I think they can give me so. And sometimes supporters don't want to as I said, like I said, because in here, I said, yeah, I have one team, I'm a team in Ireland.
And then I bring to summer or can not Chimo Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko supporters. Yes, also moving on board and now Mundia pressure, Mudu go nature mono, a yana no to ye, papa, if it's a Munano, mobile, some Baba Boabo Kumasi, Asante, Kotogo Konoso, it to me after not to my pa, Ifra, no, on which you know, let your saint or domestic quality sense so far. And if you Kumasi air back, my edited, and I'm my edited what I say. Now, my yet to say, one day Felix Anna, you are not in good taste, Muyaka. Namo mono ne mu ye bia na bia nko for hwem so mu ye training bia no e pretense na no ko ben pa no woni Felix Annan eti adohoma so ana
na for training kan sani ye na for ba silo gene je so shuni to ba bia ni ente mana se bia na like they are outside for na on me kan do ka ba training le je isi ade me fa ni kasa na se bia respect and love so na me se kan say it's a very good man. As I said, like yeah, and also all the air trainer. I said also sometimes air trainer. I said I said yeah, you got him so next time you see and get better. Now I also as I said yeah, you know kasa do it man. I said yeah, Ghana for na go to some person say take a minute here in kasa yeah, we never communicate to me I'm okay because to me say no more fun and then boosting more and more and I'm assuming improve every game there are no problem wrong what I say. Yeah, we go place me more who say could do I say could not anymore me then we can challenge yeah we do challenge and say I don't want to make a chance say that asante kɔtɔkɔ team baako yɛnya yɛba bɛko agye ɔman no ata sɛ yɛnya yɛbɔ no mmɔde sɛ ɛde team baako bi bɛbi sɛ sɛ na yɛnsinya no sɛ ɔma ɔmbɛyɛ Justin and Mona for women of GT or kɔtɔkɔ bi bɛbi no ada saa so na nso ɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ so the team baako bi bɛbi ba so yɛ sɛ yɛwɔ bi wɔ a yɛni saa yɛwɔ asɛ na ma ɔmo da player no spirit no down but yɛsɛ ɔmo sɛ na saa support na ɔmo blessing mo mfɛnta yɛ nyinaa akyi na bibi sɛ biribi akɔkɔ yɛ start
and nti we don't say my brand on all to be as supporter yeah Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no more my players ni binu no yes mo fa support national for more money fito mu nyina no mo Kumasi Asante Kotoko players mu nyina so no buy so mo baboa money mo so etumi akoso yi e ama bobo kuo no na ano echi no na yesen ebisa de say so far there yade say wa the pool ni na say wo mu say Felix Anan ono so oti bench as a goalkeeper na wasa kwa national asset na Felix Anan so akoye Black Stars national asset no no hwe hu say wo number 1 goalkeeper at bench na with the post no a dear pa na be wa bi
but I put my pressure behind it because goalkeeping is all about so na we can finish what I said because pressure be about so I said continue my say match remember the and I know a boy is really not this much there who shall get to the loose and now to me one and to draw things that don't was better than say okay we lose on a sending I say done I said because of the arena vanity and says yeah breaking things so I said over there and I said you know how to at least you go back here and let you in the I don't sound everything I was so I was a
Kwame Ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper na hotel in Kase or the same way Odugu Mountain so the Amagana me pacho no chino na yodomo ye call Brenton the Jerry Akamenku who said 2014 World Cup or no Basel or Brazil kind of for Okopi mo wa na just said and Yasim Kumakra after say 2006 2010 now for 2014 no Ibianum say Kwako perform very good our ho then so ya dia December community and my brand yanko brand of 16 gra a group face na ye free mo na a brand the team other year John Boy okay CC KB say you may kiss the money dollars or calling some no kissy then some way no Ghana for ye can say trap ye kaya best 6 years ago na and they already did Jerry Akamenkon he was part of the team no more prepare or more diako no ko ye go pray or Holland and then Holland for or box friendly game no could pray want to me and Kobe into Jerry Akamenkon oka ononko a o man Ghana mo na abrete echi mo oh nsa sasike dia obia betumi ekisi say 100,000 nti I will say you say abrete the daily John Boy no $100,000 no hu bi da na wo hu sasike mo so sasike more than that and he was just posing to the camera simple no say sikana ba bedu enya dia kire say e bia o yi Ghana fo yi na obia kwa ka be sa no we enye bibia yenti senia Jerry Akamenkon so obo modern o kire sa ansem so I think
he wasn't wrong, you know what I mean? Maybe I would say you people, because you are football fanatics, you know what I mean? The way you understand things are different from we that are in the game, you know what I mean? So we might not think the same. So it doesn't mean you're wrong, it doesn't mean I'm right, it doesn't mean no sideways. But for somebody to work that hard and, you know, not get his money and got his money at the time, was a different feeling, you know what I mean? And I'm sure he did that for the camera, intentionally did that for the camera. You know what I mean? Maybe I could do the same thing in my own or wherever and the camera could catch me or anything. That doesn't mean makes me a bad sports person or anything, you know. So you can have seen 100,000 before, maybe more, you know what I mean? So are you sure he hasn't seen this money before? So that kind of seeing the money, you know, made him do that. Yeah, everybody, like I said, why did the money stay that too long before the money got to them? Why would they even travel that money to that place? When they could have gotten their money and nobody would see John Boy see the money there.
Until no Jerry Akamenkon Samoa or the good mountains with the American John Boy. John Boy, the $100,000 no KC, he has seen more than that, what they say. And yeah, beer. Sikanaba, you know, opposite Chagana for Yaskanaba bedroom, Yamono, and Yadia just say, Bio Kissis Canadi, Gana Fueni. Na sani almost see who your mama, and yes, I answer a teaching. You see, who's on your mama. You can see between the Josie buying a FIFA boss, this post incubate, and this is why Africa sporting stories across the sporting world. Thanks for watching.